Hi everyone, I'm Johan from Guano Boost, and I'm here today to just give you an instructional video on how to use the Guano Boost sprayer bottle. Now, we've had quite a bit of inquiry from our clients in terms of how to exactly use it. Firstly, you're going to get three parts to it: the bottle itself, the sprayer head, and then the venturi tube. Firstly, you will see there's the connector. Now, this is the end that actually fixes to your hose connector, which I'll talk through now. The second is the venturi tube, which inserts at the bottom of the sprayer head, which we insert, and it will look like this. Then what we do is we fill our bottle with undiluted Guano Boost up to the 1 liter mark. So I've got my Guano Boost, I've got my bottle, and I simply fill it up to the 1 liter mark. 1 liter of Guano Boost is sufficient for 400 square meters, so you can just do that calculation and work out how much it is then. So then I've got my bottle of Guano Boost, I've got my sprayer head with the tube inside, and I attach my sprayer head. Next up, I will connect it to the hose pipe and just show you exactly how this works. Now the settings on the sprayer head. We've got a circle, which is a stop. We've got the spray, and then we have just a straight flow of water. You don't have to pull this lever back to change the setting. You simply take the switch and you switch it to whatever setting you want. So before I spray, I just put it on the stop setting, which is the circle, and then it is easy to simply, you've got a hose coupler to click it onto the sprayer bottle. Now it's clicked on. Now next, you don't want to open your hose pipe on full setting, because the higher the pressure, the quicker it will actually dilute and spray out the Guano Boost, and potentially if your water pressure is too high, you will find that it leaks on the sprayer. So I put it on the block, so it's on the stop setting, and then I open my tap just slightly. So now you will see there's no spraying, and as soon as I open it, my Guano Boost is sprayed onto the lawn and onto my plants as I need it.